Hello and welcome. My name is Shelby Hernandez and I will be guiding you through Pure Fitness's training website. On this website, you will be able to learn the history of Pure Fitness's mission statement, and all the locations that Pure Fitness has to offer. You will also learn the proper customer service of Pure Fitness that will be hosted at the 3 stations that you will be working, and our towel service and policies that go along with it. So I know this guy says to go to the navigation tab, but that's actually the video that will be placed under the navigation tab is being recorded currently. So we're going to go to the new employee orientation tab. In this new employee orientation tab is a presentation highlighting our mission statement and the history of Pure Fitness, also covering the different locations that Pure Fitness has to offer, also covering Title IX on sexual harassment, the pay rate that Pure Fitness has to offer and the pay period, and the uniform that Pure Fitness would like you as an employee to wear. So as you go through this presentation, you will gain all of this knowledge, and once you have completed the presentation, you'll be able to go to the Customer Service tab. When you click that, you'll be taken to a training interface about the customer service that Pure Fitness would like to be upheld at the 3 different stations that we offer. So this is the training interface. You'll be able to full screen it or open a new window in order to view it in a larger size. You'll be able to go through each tab and complete a quiz at the end of this training interface. Once you've completed this training interface, you'll be able to go to the towels section where you will have a short video to view about the towels that we have to offer our patrons and the policies that go along with them. After you've finished this video, you'll be able to go to our discussions tab where you will answer our discussion question. And that concludes the tutorial of how to navigate the Pure Fitness website. I hope you enjoyed.